told you your rights every
No,
time.
dude, you told me a bunch of Miranda's rights, dude.
Oh my.
Yeah, everybody's talking about Miranda's rights. This guy, dude. Yeah, you never didn't tell me what mine was. You know?
We told you.
Like, why do I need to know so much about what Miranda can do? Good for her, dude.
You know your Miranda rights? Of course you do. We've all seen it on TV. You have a right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have a right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to represent you at no cost. Those are your Miranda rights. So Miranda rights are probably the most widely misunderstood thing by anybody who's recently been arrested or charged with a crime. Pretty much everybody who calls my office says they never read me my rights, thinking that that's a pathway to get their case dismissed. And while sometimes it is, it's in very few cases that would be the remedy. Once you've been arrested, police officers have to read you the rights before they ask you any questions, but only after you've been arrested and before they ask you any questions. So if you haven't been arrested or you're not in their custody, they can ask questions in the investigative phase of the interaction with you. But if you have been placed in custody, then they must read you your rights prior to asking you any questions. Now, I can get into a lot more detail about this. I encourage you to call my office if you've been recently arrested or if you're facing charges. I'm happy to explain Miranda in a lot more detail so that you can understand exactly whether it applies in your situation or if it does not.